everyone. I'm Ruchi Jain, Assistant Professor from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today, I'm going to discuss with you the layout for the Unit 5th of Operating System, which is Input-Output Management and Disk Scheduling. In this unit, we will discuss about disk storage and disk scheduling. In disk storage and disk scheduling, we will discuss that disk storage is a primary medium for persisting data storage in computer, encompassing technologies such as hard drives and SSD. In disk scheduling, we will discuss various disk schedulings like FCFS, SSTF, SRTF, SCAN, CSCAN, LOOK, CLOOK. These algorithms are used to schedule various disk requests that are received by the user to access the data from the disk. In this disk scheduling, we will also discuss about optimizing access time and improving system performance by efficiently manage the read-write operation. Next topic we will discuss in this unit is RAID. RAID stands for Redundant Array of Independent Disk. RAID technology enhances storage reliability and performance through data redundancy and stripping across multiple disks. In this unit, we will discuss about different RAID levels like RAID 0, RAID 1, multiple RAIDs, which is the merging of RAID 0 and RAID 1, RAID 5, and so on. In this topic, we will discuss various performance measures, data protection, storage capacity of various RAID levels. Next topic that we will discuss in this unit is file system. File system is an integral component of the operating system responsible for managing files on the disk storage. This file system concept encompasses various other concepts like file concept, which define logical storage unit comprising related data, typically organizing in a hierarchical directory structure. Next concept is file storage and access mechanism, in which we will discuss various storage and accessing methods like sequential, direct, and index access for efficient data retrieval and storage. File directories, these are the structures that provide information about files. Such files with their file directories are the structure that provide information about files such as their names, location, and attributes. And last topic in file system is file sharing, which enable multiple users to access file concurrently for concurrency control and data consistency. Next topic that we will discuss in this unit is file system implementation issues, which address the practical challenges in implementing file system, such as ensuring efficient storage allocation, managing metadata, handling system crashes, and ensuring smooth integration with hardware. Last topic that we will going to discuss in this unit is file system protection and security, which is the critical for safeguarding data against unauthorized access, corruption, and loss. It also involves implementing access control mechanism, encryption, and backup strategies to ensure data integrity and confidentiality. These are the various textbooks that we will refer to discuss the various topics of this unit. This is the disclaimer. Thank you.